Hi, I'm a Bullis Student Tutor, and in this video, we will be talking about determining socioeconomic status. The definition of socioeconomic status, according to the dictionary, is the position or standing of a person or group in a society as determined by a combination of social and economic factors that affect access to education and other resources crucial to an individual's upward mobility. Let's think of this concept in terms of you and your economic geography. How the area and your economic activities are interconnected to lead to your socioeconomic status. First, let's think of your location, and then let's also consider your daily economic life. Location. Rural and urban are very distinct areas. For rural, you might not be as close in proximity to a city, and then you also, from that, lack job opportunities and quality education. For urban, you are much closer to a city or in a city, which provides job opportunities near and dear to your home and also provides quality education because more people are moving there, which increases advancement. Now let's look at wealth. Shown in the Venn diagram, the distinctions between lower class and upper class are very split. Lower class often does not have as much quality access to things that are needed, like food or necessities or education or opportunities. And creates a divide in society. Is this for better or for worse, do you think? What do the professionals think? Adam Smith, a Scottish economist, contended that coastal regions, say with easy access to trade, usually outperform inland industrial economies. This is a bird's eye view. So, according to Adam Smith's idea, are you more or less likely to be provided with opportunities for upward mobility if you are in a sea or industrial economy? Let's go back to the idea of taking a bird's eye view and look at two communities. There's a stark difference. In community one, there is many opportunities because the jobs are represented by the triangles. In community one, this person will flourish and be able to seize advancement. In community two, not nearly as many jobs for this person to seize onto, and they might be stuck in a constant cycle of lower pay grade jobs with little opportunity for said advancement. Community two does not provide nearly as much upward mobility opportunities as community one. As you go about the rest of your day, think about the tiniest aspects of life having to do with money and see how your situation comes into play a role of your socioeconomic status.